Okay, I think this is in focus. I'm hoping it is. If it's not, I don't think I can do anything about it. If there's some noise of the AC, please bear with me. Simply because it gets too hot and then I get very anxious. Like, I don't like the feeling. The last video, like, I was feeling kind of like very, like it was irritating me and I was not able to speak properly sometimes. So, yeah. Anyway, today I have turned on the AC, and if it is too loud, yes, please bear with me. Uh, I don't have any journal notes today to come and speak here, and today is right now it's Saturday, 1:03 a.m. I heard my cat. Oh, I'll just be back. I have to get my cat. So anyway, as I was saying, I don't know, I forgot what I was going to say. I felt kind of, because I got distracted by the cat and then I got distracted by I was in focus so much. The point is that I kind of felt called to make this video because I don't know, yeah, this is what I was saying. It's Saturday, 1:05 a.m. now, and I had thought like I'd write every night and that's something that I take something out from that. But this week was so, like, I didn't write anything, I didn't write any journal things this week. Like, I did kind of, I would say, slack uh, on my spiritual practices, kind of. But yeah, like the first few days were kind of hard because of that, because I was just like sort of blaming myself for not doing it. But at the same time, honestly, I got through it pretty fine. Like, even though there was so much chaos, I felt like I was kind of compassionate towards myself through that journey. Anyway, I was actually saying that I felt called to just make this video because I was like, bro, I don't care, man. I don't care if I've written this journal thing or not. I'm just gonna, like, the whole idea is that I want to come here and be honest. And so I thought, I'll just make this video, right now. Why do I have to prepare so much for it? If the whole motive is that I come here and get vulnerable, I don't have to, like, मेरे को ऐसा भी feel हो रहा था, that, because last time I had read from the journals and stuff, like, I was not feeling like, journaling. Like, journaling became this sort of an act for the audience, you know what I mean? Like, it took out the authenticity out of it for me, because I think, sort of thinking ki I could journal about these things kind of way, because I could talk about those things in the video. And I'm like, no, that's not going to work out, because I was really not feeling like journaling, even though I was thinking I need to journal, I want to journal, but it didn't just come naturally to me. Anyway, this week has been kind of heavy on me. I I took a break from Instagram for a week because it was so overwhelming. Instagram gets really overwhelming at some points. Like, there's so much energy of so many people, and you're seeing it all so, together. It is energy. Instagram is energy. Oh fuck, man, I had like this pimple here, and I think I just popped it. Disgusting? Yes, it is. Anyway, I really lose track of what I talk about. That's the whole reason why I wrote the entire thing, Like, I was writing journal. I spoke out of this journal because it helped me guide what my week was. But yeah, Instagram. The week was heavy as fuck, and Instagram just makes it worse, So I was very much dealing with it on my own. And it felt fine, honestly. Like I saw, I was feeling very calm. बीच बीच में ऐसा थोड़ा टेंशन हो रहा था, but the last few days have been fine. Like yesterday was so great. I took like a rain shower. It was so amazing. It was so amazing. It was so amazing. Like I literally started to cry because of how overwhelmed with bliss I was feeling in that moment. Oof. Like I feel goosebumps. It was amazing. Today was also amazing actually. I had a good day. Like I feel like I trust my path a lot more. And I think that's just my cat freaked out. Anyway, yeah, I think just that's why I'm not freaking out. The fact that I feel कि सब सही ही होगा, like I have sort of hope and faith. इतना इसलिए freak out नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं. And then I don't think about it like ऐसा बहुत दूर का ही सोच लिया. I think about it in like one day at a time. One day at a time is my favorite mantra, I swear to God. I mean, if I keep repeating one day at a time over the period of whenever I have YouTube, then it's because I really love that much. It has really helped me to think, like, whatever happens, it's because mostly I'm anxious about my future. I don't think about my past that much, honestly speaking. Maybe I should sometimes, but yeah, most of the times I'm thinking about my future. And when I think about my future, I think, oh, and then sometimes it gets overwhelming, right? Like there's like so much to do, I want to do so much, तो मैं कैसे करूँ इस सब कुछ when I'm right now here और pandemic है और मेरे को पता नहीं मुझे क्या करना है वैसे लाइफ में. I'm just switching between things I'm doing, I'm trying it all out. But the thing is, abhi, because I trust my path, these things, no, they feel like a blessing. Like I am getting to switch between these few different kind of jobs. Okay, I'm giving interviews for really variety of things. Like not interviews. I did an interview today for something and it went really well. I'll tell you about it if it goes through. If it doesn't, well, we'll see. But it was really fun. Okay, fun for me, and okay. It was really fun for me. And when you change the perspective, like if you don't look at it like you are here, then you get to do these things. And I feel so, like, in the sense that being at home with my parents, I might have imagined something else for myself, but right now it feels so comfortable, like with everything that's going on around. This is so nice. The fact that I have this room, the fact that I have this camera and I can talk to, literally connect with you guys, just the sheer privilege of all this for me. Yeah, it is mind-boggling. इसका 20 मिनट का वो रहता है. I don't know when it started. I think it's been 10 minutes. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, I think, yeah. So I was able to be like really get through this week, even though it was kind of like a heavy, I would say, heavy week. Like there was like a lot of feelings and not knowing how to deal with them and stuff. But then eventually I just dealt with them. Like not to deal with them, I was just compassionate about it. I just accepted it and I was compassionate. I was like, hey, कोई बात नहीं, ये होता ही है. ये देखो कितनी like sort of like कितनी बार ये हुआ है before that you feel low on some days, but then you get back up and it's fine. And ऐसा ही है, like the start beginning of this week was very ऐसा खराब सा थोड़ा सा, and then I was थोड़ा सा freaking out कि क्योंकि you know your mind quickly falls into old patterns of self blame and guilt and you're doing everything wrong, Shraddha, that stuff. But when you are like थोड़ा सा तो compassionate and you accept कि है ये है अभी तो you are sad only, why resist it, just go with it. It's better to just flow with the flow because everything is impermanent. I'm learning this in Headspace. Headspace में Andy Pudikombe, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, he talks about this thing about like Headspace generally, they talk about this impermanence and how everything is impermanent and everything is always in a flow, and how we in fact, how do you say this? Wow, I have totally lost track of my thought because I started thinking something else. Anyway, yeah, everything is in the flow. There's no point resisting anything. There's no point resisting anything. Like, why would you resist something? You know what the thing is? I feel I sometimes get like tired with it when I start talking. Like, you know, I even get more passionate and more pure when I start to talk. Like, I think that's something that lacks. Because I also feel like मेरे को थोड़ा confidence का कमी है, like at least at this point. तो मैं थोड़ा ऐसे हो जाती हूँ, lethargic, you know. But I think it'll get better because I feel this video is already better than the previous one in a weird way. Maybe it's not even. Anyway, who's judging? I'm judging very strongly. But that's the thing. That's the thing. That's the thing. Compassion. Compassion. So it's okay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, man. Seriously, it's okay. Dude, like, you are doing your best. You are doing your best. If you could have done better, you would have done better. Obviously, there is something that is stopping you from doing better than what you are doing, whatever that better is you are doing. I think we don't acknowledge that very often. Like, we very quickly acknowledge when we fuck up something, but we don't really acknowledge when we do something nice. You know what I want to acknowledge myself for right now? I want to acknowledge myself for being open to the world. Right now, I feel. I am also, I want to acknowledge making this video, even though it does kind of terrorizes me to think of putting the video out unedited just like that. If at all, I'm going to put this unedited. Anyway, I just come here and talk, and then I just hope, like, you know, if you can get something from it. Because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि, you know, मेरे को नहीं चाहिए इतना pressure that I sound like all preachy and I'm like, ये देखो, ये सीखो मेरे से. ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. But the thing is, I want to share. I want to just share what I go through, man. I just want to share it. मेरे को लगता है कि ये सही रहेगा to do this. To share, you know, just like share my story, you know. Wow. It's very difficult sometimes to open up. It's okay. It's okay. One day at a time. One day at a time. Seriously. And today, I'm sitting here and making this video against all odds. Because my mind was like, why do you even want to do this? Is this like, I was like, you should put like aisa. Why? I don't want to go there, I don't want to go there. I think this is like done for, maybe it is, or is it? I think I started at 1, 2 or something. But anyway, I actually don't have anything more to say. I hope you got something out of this whole conversation, which was a roller coaster ride. And चलो ठीक है, okay, bye, have fun. If you like this video, and yeah, if you like this video, like put three of your favorite instrument emojis in the comments below. That'll be nice. Anyway, bye. I love you guys. I genuinely love you guys. Whoever is watching this, I do love you guys. Okay, like मैं भी ये figure out ही कर रही हूँ, but through this, I just want to tell you that we'll become close to each other in some ways, I think, and that I love you already. Okay, cool, bye bye, see you later, see you next weekend maybe, see you next weekend actually, yeah, what the fuck was that maybe, see you next weekend, bye.